Today I'm going to show you how to use Autofill in LibreOffice Calc step by step so you can quickly fill cells with numbers, dates, and patterns without typing everything manually. This is a simple but powerful feature that can save you a lot of time when working in spreadsheets, especially if you're creating lists, schedules, or repetitive data. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting fresh, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. You can also open in an existing spreadsheet if you already have one prepared. Once Calc is open, you're ready to begin. Now, type a value into a cell. This can be a number, a date, or any starting value you want to continue as a pattern. For example, you could type 1, Monday, January 1st, or any other item that Calc can recognize as part of a sequence. The key here is that autofill works best when it can detect a pattern. After entering your value, click the cell once to select it. When the cell is selected, look carefully at the bottom right corner of the highlighted cell. You'll see a tiny square there. This is called the fill handle, and it's the part of LibreOffice Calc that lets you autofill data. Next, move your mouse pointer over that small square. When your cursor reaches it, the pointer should change slightly, letting you know you're in the right spot. Once that happens, click and drag down if you want to fill cells vertically, or drag across if you want to fill horizontally. As you drag, Calc will preview how the values will be extended. When you release the mouse button, LibreOffice Calc will automatically fill the next cells based on the pattern it recognizes. If you started with a number, it may continue the sequence. If you started with dates or days of the week, it will continue those in order. This is what makes autofill so useful for quickly building out rows and columns without manual repetition. For example, if you type a single number and drag down, Calc may copy that value or continue a series depending on the selection and pattern. If you enter a date and drag, it can automatically move through the next days, weeks, or months. This makes it perfect for calendars, timelines, attendance sheets, and project planning. If you want to create a custom pattern, you can also enter more than one starting value. For instance, if you type two values that clearly show a sequence, Calc is more likely to understand the rule and fill it correctly. That can be very helpful when you want more control over what gets generated. And if you ever make a mistake, don't worry. You can always undo the action and try again with a different starting value or direction. The great thing about autofill is that it's fast, flexible, and easy to learn once you know where the fill handle is. So to quickly recap, open LibreOffice Calc, enter a value, select the cell, find the small square in the bottom right corner, and drag it down or across to autofill the pattern. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.